In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at SiteW, a website builder designed for ease of use and flexibility. SiteW is known for its drag-and-drop editor, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users. It provides a variety of templates to get you started, and its interface is clean and intuitive, so you don't need any coding skills to create a professional-looking website. Whether you're building a portfolio, a blog, or a business site, SiteW offers a solid foundation. The platform also offers responsive designs that adjust to mobile devices, which is crucial in today's web environment. Navigating the SiteW platform is easy. You can start with a free account, but there are limitations that encourage users to consider upgrading. As you explore the dashboard, you'll notice tools for managing your website structure, adding new pages, and customizing elements like fonts, colors, and images. One of the highlights of SiteW is its e-commerce capabilities, which allow you to set up an online store with minimal effort. You can manage products, set up payments, and more, all within the platform. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching the video, so make sure to check those out for additional resources. These links might not be directly related to SiteW, but they could be beneficial for your website building journey. The support provided by SiteW is also commendable. Their customer service team is responsive, and the platform offers a detailed knowledge base to guide you through the process. The pricing structure is competitive, with different plans available based on your needs, so you won't be paying for features you don't need. Overall, SiteW is a strong contender for anyone looking to build a website quickly and efficiently. While it may not have the same level of advanced features as some other builders, its simplicity, ease of use, and solid range of tools make it a great option for beginners and those looking for a hassle-free experience. If you're considering using SiteW for your next website, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews like this.